Abigail Segui with a drop shot. Diving in was Julia Balingit. From the pipe, Angge Poyos, no problem. Segui unable to take off. Balingit does, and she hammers that one through. Play was brought to you by Kick, powered by Smart. Our way, our rules. Download the app now.
UST definitely found a gem in Balingit.
Tudao.
Block.
Return to sender. Cassie Carvalho, running attack from Marga Altea.
Altea going.
I mean, gone are players like Lucille Almonte, Honey Turing, A.A. Adolfo, Karen Velteflor, and leading the way is Shaina Nitura.
Unity Cup. I got to talk to head coach Shaq of the UST Golden Tigresses about their winning streak so far. At sabi nga ni coach kanina, compared to the first round, what the players need on their end ay talagang pinag-uusapan within the team. Kenan Gaira?
Thank you so much. There, Manuel, the pass to Sagaysay. Nitura from the back. Diving in was Pepito. Angge Poyos emerging and scoring for UST.
Here in the first set.
The spike brought to you by Potato Corner, world's best flavored fries. Order now. Pepito will set up Julia Balingit. Abigail Segui was sent back to the friend zone.
Poyos, you can see the press.
This block brought to you by Peri Peri Charcoal Chicken.
Adamson.
Oh, that's a much better executed attack.
Powerful hit and elevation.
Adamson here. Like you said, they've been much more predictable. He was able to read whatever they want to do. But Angge Poyos with another point for the Golden Tigresses. Also very familiar with each other. Nitura with a drop ball.
Altea asking for it one more time.
Shaina Nitura elevates and detonates.
Nitura with a sharp cross-court.
And si Poyos eh. Yeah, here. Obviously, di naman sadya. He likes. Oh!
Nitura is blocked by Altea.
Ganda ng anticipation doon ni Marga Altea. Prompting.
Control.
Nice pass by Juris Manuel. Nitura this time off the block.
Good coverage by Adamson. They go back to Nitura. She's blocked.
Nice coverage though that time. Nitura! Another one! The rejection! This block brought to you by Peri Peri Charcoal Chicken and Sauce Bar. Order now.
And UST knows that.
And she gets an ace.
Altea actually quite shocked.
To 5, 19-14. Another sharp serve.
Good save by Manuel. Mordy wants to play.
Poyos was there for the retrieval. Saisagula gets it to go.
Saisagula sizing.
Golden Tigresses. Angge Poyos.
Utilizing all her spikers right now. That hit her elevation is.
Mordy from the left pin, automatic.
And that's what we've been looking for from.
It's a team effort at the end of the day. You see Meme Coronado almost converting there for UST. Nitura will set up Segui. Segui will score. Ito ng Adamson University. Nice serve from Faye Sagaysay. Saisagula with a quick attack.
Perfect pass from Mordy. That's still good. It's a chance ball now for the Lady Falcons.
Sagaysay goes back to Tudao. Second time she has scored down the middle.
In this sequence,
Julia Balingit, the hang time, and the finish.
Balingit with that stroke.
From the middle, nice playmaking that time by
To see a lot more from Shai in these types of clutch and crunch times.
Adamson dito. Wahe to Reg Jurado, finishing off the first set.
More of Reg Jurado.
Reg Jurado as UST takes set number 1 over at University. Good serve. Naregaluhan si Lana Barrera.
Back-to-back point.
One of their prize recruits, Lana Barrera, the Filipino-German.
It's a good pass from Red.
Del Moral at the middle. This could be big for Adamson if they could get off to a really strong start.
Perfect pass.
Tudao once again. Third time is a charm. That play was brought to you by Kick, powered by Smart. Our way, our goes down. Faulty reception. Arasan force to just send it over. Red Baston down the line.
Really great to see the former Adamson Baby Falcons now with the Lady Falcons. Now a chance ball again for UST.
Blessing Onekwe converts. This cool play is brought to you by R&B Milk Tea. Order now.
Perfect pass. They go to Jurado and she gets that point.
Siya naman ang lumapit. (11-10). 1-point lead for the Golden Tide. Manuel. Mordi is up front. And they immediately go to her.
Good serve.
Arazan moves forward. Frances Mordi.
A gift from Mordi. Tries to hit it this time. She's blocked.
Sapienza from the pipe. Shaina Nitura. Poyos one more time. Joris Manuel with a nice dig. As well from Avril Bron. Nice rally.
Great defense from both teams. Mordi hits it home.
This spike brought to you by Potato Corner, world's best flavored fries. Order now. Ng UST, 17-16. Gula taking off from the back. Nitura is up front, but is denied once again. This time, Nitura goes long. Nice adjustment there from Shai.
Knowing that Nitura is now in the front row. Look at that hit.
Mas na-anticipate.
But also he said that the blocking should be focused on Shai this time. But focus on
Simply amazing ang Poyos poetry in motion.
What a sight to see.
Can Nitura answer? She will!
From the middle as well.
Super Shy activated. Nitura from the pipe is denied by Avril Bron. This block brought to you by Peri Peri Charcoal Chicken and Sauce Bar. Order now.
One good pass muna first, okay? One good.
Frances Mordi launches and scores.
Going above the blockers.
Beat them twice. Poyos from the pipe.
That's good.
Still alive. Diving in was Julia Balingit. Close to the net.
Balingit asks for it, sends it over. That's a check ball.
Frances Mordi. Nice coverage that time by Juris Manuel. Abisegi is denied.
Going on with Adamson is that UST is reading their spikers really well. Kailangan nila ng...
It's in!
A service ace by Saiza.
UST faithfuls. Mordi, poor read. Wasn't able to get to that. Sets to none. They get set number 2.
Working really well. So I'm pretty sure he's already thinking of a program.
Ooh.
But talk about the Adam Falcons.
Nitura. Tudaw. Sa gitna ulit. Inactivate si Marga Altea naman para
Her presence for UST already.
combination play. A thing of beauty from Adams. That play was brought to you by Kick, powered by Smart. Our way, our rules. Download the app now.
And this is what we need. Has been establishing their blocks dun kay Mordi and kay Nitura.
Ooh, Marga Altea coming out of nowhere.
Definitely a well-deserved point for this Golden Tigress.
Isay. Julia Balingit Sugoy. This spike brought to you by Potato Corner, world's best flavored fries. Order now. First technical timeout. Aban pass. Angge Poyos. Deflected.
They go to Shai Nitura going through the blockers, and that is in down the line.
This cool play brought to you by R&B Milk Tea. Order now.
Talking about willing your team, na pag nagsasalita sila, they say tayo, hindi kayo. So
Right.
it's teamwork talaga yung hinahanap nila.
UST, can they capitalize? Angge Poyos. She was denied.
That's still good. It's a chance now for UST to convert. Poyos, that set was actually a little too far from the net.
Adamson barely keeping that ball alive. Frances Mordi sending it back. Just a 3-point lead. Reg Jurado, all power.
Reg taking charge.
This spike is brought to you by Potato Corner, world's best flavored fries. Order now. Mordi keeping her serve inbound. Ooh! Yung hesitation.
To see here in
Siyempre
the
naman.
SSL.
Eloy Dote, nakahanda doon yung depensa ni Avril Bron. Shaina Nitura, bumalik ulit sa Adamson. Nitura, one more time, is denied!
The block is Spanya.
Isa pa. At wala nang nagawa ng Adamson doon.
With their defense and attacks.
If you're Adamson, you have to stay persistent. At the moment, it's not going your way. How do you respond? Reg Jurado adding. This cool play is brought to you by R&B Milk Tea. Order now.
And this is when you can literally see
Shaina Nitura changing her approach. Tetet Pepito puts it up.
a chance ball now for the Lady Falcons. Nitura coming from the middle. A drop ball. Pepito gets it.
Dito, walang pinapalapag na bola dito. Bascon keeping that ball in play. Nitura again. Pepito ulit. Poyos. Bascon was there. Fourth time for Shaina Nitura is good.
Shai get.
Let's see if they could really find a switch. Julia Bam down the line.
She was actually looking.
Angge Poyos. Oh, just marvelous from Angge. Sarisay. From the pipe ni Tura. Grabe yung depensa ng UST. They're just all over. Frances Mordi hitting Cassie Carvalho. Immediately going to Cassie.
And that's
Got hit right in the face. Yeah.
ang bola.
Oh. Palingit.
Palingit. Balingit once again from the opposite to the drop. This time read well by the blockers of Adamson. The front row. Mordi from the middle. Althea with that solid block.
Flappable at the net. The timing, exquisite.
That's so good. Red saves it. They go to Mordi. Poyos with a perfect pass. Althea sends it over.
That floor defense impeccable for UST.
Althea once again with that monster block.